Welcome to Nick Series, The Rise of Japan's Automotive Empire, Episode 10, The Autonomous Future, Japan's Robotics on Wheels, The Autonomous Future, Japan's Robotics on Wheels, Intro, a nation at the edge of a new mobility era for decades. Japan has been known as the global capital of precision, innovation, and robotics. From assembly line robots in Toyota factories to humanoid icons like Honda's Asimo, Japan has built machines that move with an almost human-like intelligence. But now the country faces a challenge unlike any before: a shrinking population, a rapidly aging society, and a transportation system that must evolve or collapse. And so, Japan has decided to do something extraordinary: put robots inside cars, and put intelligence inside roads. To create mobility that thinks. This is the story of how Japan is using robotics, AI, and autonomous technology to design a transportation future decades ahead of the world. Section 1 Why Japan needs autonomous vehicles more than anyone. Japan isn't chasing autonomy because it is trendy. Japan is chasing autonomy because it's essential. Nearly 30% of Japan's population is over 65. Rural towns are emptying. Public transport is collapsing in remote regions. Elderly drivers are involved in a rising number of accidents. Japan needed a solution big enough to reform an entire society, and autonomy became that solution. Self-driving cars aren't a luxury for Japan. They are survival. Section 2. Toyota, building a car that never crashes while Silicon Valley promises full self-driving. Toyota rejected the idea. Toyota's vision: human plus AI sharing control, not replacing one another. Toyota Guardian, the invisible co-driver. The Guardian system constantly scans pedestrians, blind spots, tires, road surface, oncoming vehicles, human reaction time. If the driver makes a mistake, Guardian instantly overrides and saves the vehicle from collision, often in milliseconds. This is not driver replacement. This is driver protection. Toyota believes the future is augmented driving, not automated driving. Their approach is simple: people make mistakes. AI should be the backup, not the master. Section 3. Nissan, reading your brain to drive safely. While Toyota focuses on invisible support, Nissan is building something more futuristic. The Brain 2 Vehicle Project, a headset reads the driver's neural signals before they physically move. This allows the car to brake before your foot even touches the pedal, start steering milliseconds before your hands turn, predict panic or confusion, adjust suspension to match your emotional state. Nissan wants cars that respond to human intention, literally reading your brainwaves. It sounds like science fiction, but Nissan has demonstrated it live. Section 4. Honda, the first Level 3 autonomous car in the world. Everyone talked about autonomy. Honda quietly became the first car maker to legally sell a car with Level 3 autonomy. The Honda Legend Japanoli. This level means the car can fully drive itself, but the driver must be ready to take over when asked. Honda's core philosophy is unique. Autonomy must create peace of mind, never confusion. Their ambition: build mobility where the human is always safe, even if the machine makes mistakes. Section 5. Robotic mobility. Cars are only the beginning. Japan's vision extends far beyond cars. 1. Autonomous delivery robots. Companies like Rakuten and Honda are building robot couriers to serve aging communities. 2. Autonomous buses for empty towns. Driverless shuttles are being deployed across rural Japan where human drivers are no longer available. 3. Robotaxis. Sony plus Honda plus SoftBank are building fleets of autonomous taxis powered by entertainment, AI, and cloud connectivity. 4. Smart roads and connected cities. Japan is wiring entire cities with sensors that communicate with cars. Traffic lights, crosswalks, road cameras, weather monitors, pedestrian signals. Japan wants a world where roads talk to cars. Cars talk to each other. Accidents become mathematically impossible. Section 6 Why Japan may win the autonomy race while American companies rush prototypes on public roads. Japan moves slowly, methodically, and safely. Japan's advantages: half a century of robotics leadership, precision manufacturing, cultural discipline, government-backed, national strategy, a society willing to adopt new mobility, the world's most advanced aging population. The perfect testbed. Autonomous vehicles aren't just machines in Japan. They are robots with purpose. Robots designed not just to move people, but to protect them. Section 7. The future, a world built around robotic mobility. Japan's next steps include: 1. Robot-driven ambulances faster than anything today. 2. Elder care autonomous pods, a lifeline for millions of seniors. 3. Traffic systems with zero fatalities. Japan's national goal: eliminate car deaths completely. 4. Mobility integrated with humanoid robots. Honda, Toyota, Sony, all building robots that may one day step out of vehicles to help people. Japan's dream is bold: a world where mobility is not just convenient but compassionate. Motivational finish, powerful ending. Japan teaches us one unforgettable lesson: Great nations are indeed built by chasing trends. They're built by solving real problems with courage, intelligence, and heart. Autonomy is not just technology. It is a promise that the future of mobility can be safer, smarter, and more human than ever before. So the question is, if Japan can reinvent the future, what's stopping us from reinventing our own? If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe so we can continue this journey together.